Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of June. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link of that is also given in the description box below. Okay. My God. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck for Leos. Okay. Guidance from the angels. So wants to come out. There were many cards. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels for Leos. Message from the universe. Okay. So, Leos, we are starting your reading with the Death card, immediately being followed by the Star card. So, what I feel here is that something has definitely ended, and I think you wanted that ending. That's what I'm getting. You wanted there is an ending which I think was your wish. You wanted it to end. There was something you wanted to end, because it is being immediately followed by wish fulfillment. Your wishes have been granted. So there was something which you were not happy about, which was troubling you, which was painful in some way, shape, or form, and you were also sick and tired of dealing with it. Perhaps you wanted it at some point in time. You wanted it desperately, but there was a time now that you were wanting it to end. Okay, so maybe initially you liked that thing, whatever that situation was or that person was, but uh, you were sick and tired of dealing with the certain situation, or whatever this thing is, and I think you are relieved and happy after this end, whatever this end is. You are feeling relieved now. That's what I feel. Your wishes are being fulfilled. You are happy. You're what I feel is, after this end, your life has brightened up and you are communicating with someone, or the universe is, maybe the universe is guiding you. You are getting those messages and signals, or whatever the thing is, or your life has aligned now. That's more of what I'm getting. Maybe you are communicating with your friends. I'm not saying with a loved one only. This communication with can be any sort of a communication, but this communication is leading to some sort of alignment in your life. Okay, it's leading to some alignment, and it's giving you life. If you're happy with whatever the changes are coming in your life. Okay, so this ending is being followed by happy times. And here again, here I see the sun card over here. So definitely, though there are times when you feel upset, you do remember those times, and you have that painful, you have that hurt in your heart. It's obviously you are not going to forget whatever this experience was, which you have ended by choice, or whatever it was, but you didn't want to carry it forward. Or if it was not by choice also, if it has, for some of you it may not be your choice to end it, but definitely after whatever has ended, life is getting better for you. Okay, you are aligning back and you are happy. Okay, so it can be that also for some of you. But then anyways, whatever it is, there is an alignment which can clearly be seen in your life now, leading to happy times. Though there are moments when you feel depressed, you feel you have that thing inside your heart. Though you are aligning your life, everything is there, but yes, that pain is still in your heart, and it is a very deep rooted pain. It's not something which was easy to carry. Perhaps whatever the situation was, it was really very painful. It can be a love triangle for some of you. It can be that, if not that, but definitely it was definitely a painful situation. But you are being happy over here. You are definitely very very happy, regaining your control of life over here with the King of Pentacles. Here you are regaining your life. You are back in control of your life. Okay, so, and here with the Ten of Cups, also what I see here is the Ten of Cups and Four of Pentacles. You are definitely moving ahead towards somebody for a solid foundation, for a commitment, for a family. Okay, so definitely there is a movement forward towards a happy family life. If not exactly a marriage or a commitment is happening, but yes, that is on your mind. That is definitely on your mind, because you've taken back the control. You are, I see you very very content over here. So now your point is, if even if there is nobody on your mind, it can be that also, that maybe you don't even have anybody on your mind as for now, but that is your thought now, that now whatever it is, you want to commit for a long term relationship. It can be that also. It is your goal or thought now, that okay, what I'll do, I'll marry the person. Or maybe you have somebody in your mind, or that is also there in your life. Okay, and I see you back in control and very very content with whatever uh, your situation is now, whatever your current situation is. I feel you very content in emotionally also and financially also. Okay, you have taken back the control of life emotionally as well as financially, and here I see you offering that love also. So you are ready to open up here, though you are content and closed off also, but not ready to share. But here I see you opening up also with your emotions. You are opening up with your emotions towards someone. And with the Seven of Wands here, what I feel here is, I took this card because I just wanted to give that message, though it is the fourth card, which I don't take normally. But yes, what I feel is that this ending came from the fact, and this painful thing, because again here with the in this deck also it is coming as Three of Spades, which is again that sorrow. But over here it is about understanding your own feelings also and moving beyond grief. So in this deck the meaning is a little different, that yeah, you are trying to understand your feelings and you are trying to move away from that grief, whatever that grief was. And it is not that you are drowning in that agony and that pain. It's not like that. Here it is that you are trying to understand your feelings to move out of them. Okay, so that, but definitely because there are two cards here, so what I feel is the reason behind it was that the person you were involved with was cheating on you. As I said, it can be a love triangle, but maybe that person was cheating on you, hiding something from you. Maybe that person was not committing for a long-term relationship, and maybe that is what you were looking for, a long-term commitment. It can be that, but definitely this person was playing with your emotions, or maybe in and out of your life. n- uh, playful. Maybe this person was a had that playful kind of an energy, playboy, playgirl, whatever it is, and this person was not committing, and was leading to a lot of hurt. Okay, you were emotionally hurt because of this reason. Okay, so this is the cause for this. There was deception over here. Somebody was very sneaky over here. So this is the cause for this heartache, and this, maybe you were sick and tired of carrying it all along, and that is why you decided to end. Because once you're ending, your things are getting, life is getting sorted out. Number 13 or number 4 may be of some significance for you. Letting go. Releasing the past can seem like a challenge, but it can also be liberating. Your angels will help you to let go so that you can fly higher than ever before. Endings always herald new beginnings. Just see the beauty of the cards. Choose to allow this situation to lead you to a more joyful life. Change your life by changing your thoughts. So you need to let go, and that is what you are doing over here. That you release the past, and obviously you can see the brighter future is there for you. One more thing is, it can also be the message for the pain which is still there in your heart. You need to let go of that also, because once you are able to do that, you will be able to release that past, and you will be able to be happy in the present. Number 29 or number 11 or number 2 may be of some significance for you. Forgiveness. Nothing is gained by holding on to the past disappointment. So basically, it calls for letting go and forgiveness. So definitely, this pain is very, very deep rooted in your heart. This was some important ending, which was a very, very important relationship for you, perhaps in your life, or if it was an opportunity, if it was a career, whatever it was, this end was very, very painful for you, and it requires letting go and forgiveness. So that is the key message for you. You need to let go, and you need to forgive yourself, forgive the other person, and just let it go for your own mental peace. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.